Parley. Parley. That's the pirate code.
That's Keira Knightley from Pirates, if you didn't know.
Parley.
Welcome back to the Kira Show. This week is Pirate Week.
Oh,
Are
baby.
you ready?
Great.
I see you laughing.
I think mine was better. The Keira Knightley. It was. Parallel. It's good. To someone. But yeah, we haven't done an army cost video in a hot minute, which is very exciting.
Do you remember when we said it was the last one of the edition?
Well, yeah, and then they released new stuff, and I was like, huh?
What's
Steady
mad?
on.
This isn't even the last one of the edition. We've got
No.
Red Corsairs.
Yep.
Night Lords.
Yeah, I wanted to do a Night
Iron
Lords
Warriors.
one. Are you going to do the Iron Warriors one?
It'd just be 6 Defilers. Defile this.
That's got some negative connotations. But yeah, this week we're going to be doing Space Elves in Space, and these are different because they're pirates and they're cool.
Should we give them the funny story with these two?
What?
So when these miniatures were shown off, obviously with all of our great agile process for this whole channel, we put them in Trello. And I went, do you want the Red Corsairs one? And you went, yeah, I'm Chaos Man. And I go, cool, I'll do the Space Elves in Space. We literally spoke the other day, and I went, I'm doing the Eldar one, and you went, yeah. I went, cool, I'm going to go do my army cost now. I sat down on my sofa and did the Red Corsairs one.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So what we'll do is we'll laugh at Kieran's list next week when that comes out, and then we'll be like, wow.
Or we laughed at it the week before, if Red Corsairs came out first.
Don't do that to me. We've just done this one now. We're going to do it doesn't matter. But yeah, so starting strong. I've not included a combat patrol box because they're limited, and if somebody was to watch this in, I don't know, 2 weeks' time, and they went, oh, I can't get over combat patrol, I just went, well, I've saved you. Sorry, that's what you sound like.
Hope it's not limited though, and you have to eat your words, because it is a really good little patrol.
It is really good, but I think that's probably why it's not going to last, right? I mean, even the Iron Hands one sold out, so that tells you what you need to know. I think, you know what, before we go further, I think I'll take ownership of that. I think I sold the Iron Hands box for them.
They made one. They made one per shop.
And because of the people, you know, all 10 of you that watched our painting challenge on it, I was like, well, there it is. I like turrets. And everyone went, I like turrets too. Because that's how the internet works. Anyway, starting strong. Prince Yriel. Pow! Obviously, this guy's a boy. Yeah, he's a man.
Yeah, power like an Yriel.
Yes. I suppose. Yeah, he's obviously, you know, the Lord and Saviour of the ELDAR Corsairs. He clocks in at 95 points and is £29. Good start.
Yeah, I'm just trying to think I can get a Atlantis reference in here to make your day.
All right. Well, I'll wait for it. Next up is Karseth. Bow! The other of the ELDAR Corsair boys.
So I remember calling
Is Karseth a boy or a girl? A man or a woman? Were they /them?
I don't know.
Let us know down below.
I thought it was a bath because I thought when I first saw it, I was like, oh, the thing is called car bath.
What?
That's what my brain heard.
What do you mean car bath? It says Karseth.
Yeah, I read it as car bath.
What do you mean read it as or heard the name? I'm trying to help you here. Doesn't matter.
Read the word as car bath.
Sure. Well, Karseth is 95 points and £27.
And he doesn't wash your cars.
No. I've got some interesting things to say about Yriel and Karseth. They are both named characters. Not only can you give them you can give them enhancements, so you can make Prince Yriel like something Prince or whatever for an extra 20 points or something.
Why can you give him an enhancement if he's a named character?
Crazy, right? You can also give them unit enhancements too. So you can spend like an extra 70 odd points, well, maybe less than, about 60 odd points on both of them additionally for more enhancements.
You know
for named characters. It's unbelievable.
What this means, don't you?
What does this mean?
We're D to P.
Down to...
Pirate.
Hated that. But also loved it, which is a real shame. Next up, I've got two of the same thing. Can you guess what it is?
The Voidreavers?
No. Next, I've got two Troupe Masters.
This isn't a Harlequin's army.
No. It's the Pirates' army.
The Harlequins aren't pirates?
Yes, they are. They work in tandem. They are together.
No.
They are together. So cool. So nice. So two Troupe Masters. They clock in at 150 points. And the value, you might be asking?
Terrible.
It's actually completely the opposite. I've currently put as naught. I'll explain why later.
How are you getting free Troupe Masters?
I've also included a Solitaire. Because they're crazy! It doesn't matter how many times...
These aren't ELDAR Corsairs!
Yes, they are! Very cool. The coolest, in fact. The nice thing is with the pirates is that you could have, I don't know, death clowns from space in the pirate force because I said so.
If you've got an avatar of Cain in this army, I'm gonna leave.
No. That would be stupid.
I'll remove you from the PayPal.
That would be stupid, and I'm not stupid. So the Solitaire currently clocks in at 115 points and £19. Unbelievable value.
I still need you to explain the free Troupe Masters.
I'll get to the end. Oh no, it is literally the last thing in the list. Yeah, I'll get to the end. So I've now got 2 boxes of Corsairs, one of which will be played as the Voidreavers for 110 points, and the other will be played as the Elite Choice, which is the Voidscarred. I didn't actually realise they come in a twin kit, which is actually really, really nice.
Your brain must be Voidscarred if you put Harlequins in this army.
£38.50 for each box, which is very nice indeed. So just shy of 80 quid. It's also like a fabulous kit. All of the Corsair kits are so nice. Very, very impressed. Next, I've added 2 Starweavers, which is very cool to
weaving them stars
to transport all of your Harlequin guys and gals.
Stars in the rise.
And still going. So that clocked in at 160 points for 2. In addition, that is £59. If I'm reading it a little bit slower, it's not because reading's hard. It's because I've got a new phone and it's kind of smaller and it's not flippy out like it was before. It doesn't matter.
You know, you do have a YouTube provided laptop that you could use.
Oh, but I left that at home. I didn't want to bring that.
So
what slog? Anyway.
That was the reason we bought you a laptop, not a desktop.
What? So I could bring it?
So you could be mobile.
I am mobile. Next up, I've got a Wave Serpent. So again, would be really good if I could have had the Combat Patrol. Would have made this a lot cheaper. So if you can go out and buy them, go out and buy them now. I mean,
go buy 3 of them.
Yeah, that way you wouldn't have to buy Harlequins. So with the Wave Serpent, it costs 125 points and £42.50. I think the Wave Serpent is a dual kit. You can have it as a Falcon Grav Tank. Falcon. And then in addition to that, I've also added 3 boxes. 3 of Corsair Skyreavers. So these come in units of 5. They are the fun dudes with wings, coming in at £225, and unfortunately, £112.50. £37 something or other for 5 of them.
Just do the pirate thing and rob them.
We do not condone that. If you're going to rob people,
5-finger discount.
Yeah. If you are going to rob people, do not blame us. We will not admit to that. Next, I've added 2 fire prisms. Pow. Very cool.
Yeah.
All right, sweet, cool. Okay. So they come in at 300 points and £85. You will notice that I'm trying to get the points up a little bit with some of these characters and some of these units, because otherwise it would be a very, very, very expensive army. Next up, I've got 2 Skyweavers, which is very cool indeed.
More Harlequins?
More Harlequins, but they come in units of 2, and haywire and all that nonsense that everybody hates. But there's only 4 of them, so whatever. So that clocks in at 190 points and £71. Disgusting. Next, I've got a Starfang because it's a new kit, and I was like, well, that looks cool. It's only 75 points and £38.50.
Why didn't you put 3 of these in and take the Starweavers out?
Because that's so expensive.
But that would make an actual ELDAR Corsairs army.
No, this is a Corsairs army because Corsairs is about using all of them, because I could have used Dark Eldar stuff, but I'm not touching those poopy garbage models that have been around for, my entire life. So no, actually, no. Then lastly, is the Harlequin Troupes. So in the Harlequin Troupe box, for 2 boxes of those, you actually get 6 minis in there, not 5. So 170 points and £59. But in addition, you obviously get the Troupe Masters in there as well. So actually, that's 320 points for 2 units. So 5, 2 units of 5 troops and 2 Troupe Masters for £59, which I thought was pretty bloody good.
Oh, there's been one silver lining from this video so far.
What's that?
We haven't got to do a Harlequins cost video.
I didn't think we had to do that anyway. I think we only know one person that plays Harlequins, and
he's already got all the kits.
Yeah, well, we don't need to inform him. So, with Prince Yriel, Karseth.
Karbath.
No, we're not doing Karbath. That sounds like a like an activity for us. We're not having a Karbath, Kieran. 2 Troupe Masters, a Solitaire, 10 Voidreavers, 10 Voidscarred, 2 Starweavers, a Wave Serpent, 15 Skyreavers, a Fire Prism, 4 Skyweavers, a Starfang, and 2 Troupes, effectively. That clocks in. Because of the way that we do these stupid videos, I've also included a codex and data cards. If you're buying a 10th edition codex and data cards this late in the edition,
evergreen
shape, no.
Because if they
stupid.
When they watch this, the next edition, it'll still be relevant.
No, stop being stupid. Stop buying things from GW that are like redundant as soon as you buy them. But stop it.
If you're watching this in the 11th edition, you do need to go and buy a book.
Just buy a code or something.
What, the code that comes in at the time of recording comes in the back of the book?
Oh, just get your, I don't know.
Oh, so waste your mate's money so you can have a free code.
Now
that's the pirate thing.
That's the real pirate move.
How many points of Harlequins is this?
1,970. Which I left enough points to add at least 1 or 2 enhancements to Yriel or Karseth. If you really wanted to take ownership of this and add lots of additional bits to your named characters, I'd probably take out one of the like chaff units in the list. I think in no other army in 40k at the moment can you have named characters with additional benefits, so you should really take ownership of that and take advantage. So guess how much this one comes in at with the codex and data cards.
£675, 50p.
Are you having my life? Are you having my life?
Is that right?
It's 677. I can't remember the exact number. I think you were about £2.50 off.
Yeah, I said 600.
That's the closest prediction I think we've ever had. That's actually
£675 and 50p. That's what I said.
Yeah, that's actually a joke. You're £1.50 off. That's never happened. Well,
you know what it is? It's fast math.
No, it's not fast math because you didn't go fast math and then get it all wrong. But yeah, so in hamburger tokens in the US, it's 1,113 in Euro Disney because that's where all the cool kids go.
That's the Caribbean's there as well.
Yeah, I'm sure it's probably in Florida as well, isn't it? Just not. I don't
It's
care.
also probably in the Caribbean.
I don't care about. Yeah, it absolutely is. 872 euros, and then in the Wombat Hellscape Down Under, it's $1,797.
You didn't crack 2k.
No, well, I've only done that once.
We've done it once or twice in the history of the.
Voidscarred was an anomaly.
Yes.
Yeah.
And Krieg.
Was Krieg even 2,000?
I think it might have been.
All right. But yeah, that is ELDAR Corsairs in a nutshell. You have some conflicting opinions.
Well, you didn't make a Corsairs army.
Well, it's also really, really hard. Like, to add loads of different, like, ELDAR units and stuff, I think is fine, but then it's just so expensive. I had to try and keep it down, but also, like, keep it playable as well. And what's quite nice about the Harlequins is that they are, I think, morally grey. That could be a total load of rubbish.
Oh, they're more morally grey now because GW is convinced that Ynnari don't exist anymore.
Well, I think that's what the Ynnari thing is, isn't it? Because who's the other guy from Ynnari? Who's the Vizark or?
There's the Vizark, yeah. There's Ynied, so there's the Tom DeLong in my Ynied.
In my Ynied. Yeah.
People are gonna hate that.
I don't care. Say what you want.
Yeah, there's. I don't get you putting Harlequins in there. I mean, I get the logical reason why you put it in, but they ain't pirates. I mean, you can paint some skull and crossbones on the hats, maybe.
That would look sweet. You don't have to paint checkers. You could just add with all of your extra gubbin bits from your Voidscarred kits or whatever, and just add them to all your Harlequins. That'd be really, really cool. But yeah, no, I like the idea of having Harlequins and pirates in one unit. To me, it makes a lot of sense, but to others, it'd probably be like, you cheated, and I'd be like, I don't care.
Well, I should have seen or about to see in the Red Corsairs army, I'd just have Red Corsairs. None of this nonsense.
But you also cheated.
I didn't cheat.
We'll wait till next week.
Right.
Yeah. Anything to round off on other than...
If you want to go buy some Harlequins.
Yes! Click the links down below! That'd be really cool. And, you know, the ELDAR Corsairs, where they're priced, a bit dodge. It's not quite as ruthless as the Red Corsairs that we'll find next week. But click the links down below, buy some kits.
Our Jolly Rogers.
Ollie. We're jolly for Roger. It's on the left-hand side. Thank you for joining the Cult of Kieran. All of the support from you guys means the world. I know that we're closing in on the end of the edition, which means some challenges and some other exciting bits are on the way, which is going to be very cool. So things to look forward to, which is amazing. So
They all Roger my Jolly.
I made it weird. Somehow you topped it. I'm not sure how, but you did. But yeah, peace and love. We'll see you next week. Bye.
Arr.
Okay.